Hey everyone, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HDs. This model here is equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package, and it's also based on the LTZ model with the Z71 package. We're going to start up front on this truck. You'll notice it has a body colored front bumper with integrated parking sensors. We have the new grille design with Chevrolet spelled out in the middle. Really nice mesh on the backing of the letters. This also has a forward-facing camera and some chrome trim accents as well. Up top, you'll notice this has a satin black decal on the center of the hood, so just to give it a little bit of contrast against the exterior black. As we make our way to the side, this is equipped with a 3-inch lift from Rocky Ridge. You'll notice down below we have really nice fuel wheels. They're 20 inches along with an all-terrain tire wrapped around it. One thing needed with a lifted truck as well is the power retracting running boards. So when you open the door, they'll automatically deploy, and then when you close the door, they'll retract back into place, making it very easy to get in and out of this truck. And then we have a camera system throughout this vehicle. You'll see a lot of cameras on the side mirrors. They are power folding too. And then making our way to the back, we have a side step. Makes it very easy to enter and exit the bed if you need to do that from the side. There's also steps on the rear of the body colored bumper along with integrated parking sensors. And then my favorite feature on this truck, we have the soft opening tailgate. You can also use this button as well to go ahead and close it up. Hopping up into our 2500 now, being the LTZ, you're gonna notice this has a really nice interior. We have leather seats that are heated and ventilated. Of course, this has navigation, your 360 camera system, along with a camera up in the rear view mirror. And then as part of the Rocky Ridge package, we have a lockable gun safe. It's very heavy duty. You can obviously lock and store any items in there that you'd like to, making it really nice to have. And then you'll also notice we have the Rocky Ridge badge up on the headrest with a little bit of orange accents just to give it a nice appearance. This truck also has 5 auxiliary switches to the left of the steering wheel. So if you want to hook up aftermarket lights, winches, anything like that, you have some stock switches that you can use to really clean up the interior. And then of course, being the crew cab, we have a ton of space for the backseat passengers. There's a compartment in the backrest of the seat as well. You can lift up the bottoms too to give you a lot more interior storage space, and these seats are heated. So getting our 2500 out on the road now, the first thing that I want to talk about that comes with the Rocky Ridge kit is the speedometer recalibration. So with the larger tires, you don't have to worry about that. This truck is ready to drive straight off the lot. It comes with a 3-inch lift, which gives it an aggressive look, and it also rides and drives just like a stock 2020 Silverado. It also has plenty of horsepower and torque to get up to speed. This is the diesel, so you're definitely going to be able to tow with this as well. It has a lot of interior features that are very nice. Being the LTZ model, you have navigation, you have the 360 camera system, which is very helpful, especially in a big lifted truck like this. It also has a rear-facing camera on the rear view mirror, so you can get a crystal clear image as to what's behind you. And it just has an overall aggressive appearance from the exterior and very nice features on the interior. You can definitely daily drive this truck, and you'll have fun in it every single day. So there's a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HDs equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package. For more information on this truck, or if you want to schedule your test drive, you can check out our contact information down in the description.